Today's video, we will cover complete textbook exercise solution from the chapter Little Bully Unit 8. So let's start with first question. Reading is fun. Now that you have read and understood the lesson, can you answer these questions? Can you put a tick on the right answer? So let's start with first question. Why did all the children hate Hari? Option: because he would not talk to anyone, because he always pinched them, because he loved stealing their food. So correct answer is because he always pinched them. Question number 2. Nobody took Hari's hand. Nobody went near him. Nobody played with him. This shows that Hari had many friends, few friends, no friends. So correct option is no friends. This shows that Hari had no friends. Question number 3. Which of the following actions would make a friendly person? Write them down. So here are some options. We have to tick correct options. First is respecting other people, eating a small child's tiffin, छोटे बच्चे के टिफिन को खाना, is it a friendly action? No. So respecting other people, it's a friendly action. Calling people rude names, no. Pushing a smaller boy or making him cry, so it is not good, it's not a friendly action to push a small boy or making him cry. Being helpful to everyone, yes, it is a friendly action. Helping your classmates in school, yes, this is also a friendly action. Mocking at friends and hurting their feelings, no, it's not a friendly action. To hurt others' feelings, it's a bad. Next, protecting a weaker person, yes, it's a friendly action. So tick all these friendly actions, write them below. Okay. Next, vocabulary. Find out words which are opposites or are closest to being the opposites of the words given below. Then write down the opposites in the grid. Here are some words we have to write down the opposites of these given words. So down means downsides and across means like this. Okay. So first word is smile. The opposite of smile is downward position में हमें देखना है, ठीक है. So opposite of smile is first, number 1 is given here. First is scowl, SCOWL. Scowl means opposite of smile, मतलब smiling face से देखना, और scowl means होता है angry face से देखना. Okay. So next is happy. The opposite of happy is miserable, MISERABLE, miserable. Number 3 quiet, ये हमें across position में देखना है. Number 3 quiet, opposite of quiet is noisy, NOISY, noisy. Number 4 strong, so opposite of strong will be number 4 here, WEAK, ठीक है. And number 5 is punish, so opposite of punish will be reward, punishment, गलती पे punishment, और अगर हम कोई अच्छा काम करते हैं तो then we will get reward. Okay. So next question. Hari was pinched till he was black and blue. So black and blue means Hari fell down in pain. There were bruises on his body. Hari painted himself in colors. या Hari had a black and blue shirt. So correct option is there were bruises on his body. So bruises means निशान पड़ जाना बॉडी पर, ठीक है, काफी सारे चोट के निशान. Number 3, third question. I shan't pinch anyone anymore. तो shan't means shall, should, shall not या will not. So correct option is shall not. Shan't is the short form of shall not. Next question. Give the full forms of want. Full form of want will be will not. weren't, were not, wouldn't, would not. This is the full form of wouldn't. And couldn't, full form of couldn't is could not. Okay. Next question. A girl was sitting quietly beside him. Hari lifted his feet, crying loudly. So the word quietly and loudly tell us how an action is being done. Find 5 more words ending with ly, which denote how something is done. So we have to find out, write down here 5 words which get end with ly. Okay, so ly is written already here, है ना. So first word we can write here lovely, LOVELY, lovely. Greatly, GREATLY, greatly. LOUDLY, loudly, है ना. और we can write here proud, LY, proudly. And last but not the least, happily, HAPPILY, happily. Next question. Complete the blanks with rhyming words of the following and practice aloud. So we have to write down here rhyming words. Okay, so first is bruise. So rhyming word of bruise is cruise, CRUISE. Carriage, marriage, MARRIAGE. तो फर्स्ट वर्ड ऑलरेडी इन्होंने दिया हुआ है ना. prawn, dawn, DAWN. creatures, feature, FEATURES. teachers, preachers, preachers मीन्स होता है टीचर, मतलब पढ़ाने वाला है ना, टीचर. एंड प्रीचर जो धार्मिक उपदेश देता है, धर्म से रिलेटेड जो बातें बताता है. ठीक है. वॉव्ड, क्राउड, CROWED, क्राउड. नेक्स्ट. Read these sentences carefully. I ate an apple. I ate an apple. A boy is standing under the tree. The sun rises in the east. Okay. So A and N do not point out any definite or particular person or thing, whereas the is used when we speak of some particular person or thing. So A, N and the are called articles. Remember, N is used before words beginning with a vowel, AEIOU, vowel. So अगर कोई वर्ड, किसी भी वर्ड के आगे अगर वोवल है यानी AEIOU में से कोई भी अल्फ़ाबेट है, सो उसके आगे हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे, N. ओके. A, N और द, इन चीज़ों को यूज़ करके ही, इन तीनों वर्ड्स को यूज़ करके ही हमें ये नीचे के फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स कंप्लीट करने हैं. और A एंड द ये कहलाते हैं हमारे आर्टिकल्स. Okay, so now fill in the blanks with appropriate articles. So Hari was dash unpopular boy. Unpopular means जो पॉपुलर नहीं है. So unpopular के आगे देखिए U है ना, U. So AEIOU. So U is a vowel. So हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे Hari was an unpopular boy. Second, the boys and girls went to dash seaside for a picnic. So the boys and girls went to the seaside for a picnic. He saw big crab coming towards him. He saw a big crab coming towards him. I found dash empty bottle floating in the water. Empty के आगे E है यानी vowel है. So I found an empty bottle. ठीक है. Floating in the water. Next, dash sea creatures ate his food. So the sea creatures ate his food. Next question. A crab has a hard shell, whereas a frog does not have one. क्रैब को हार्ड शेल होती है और फ्रॉग को नहीं होती है, ठीक है। देयर आर मैनी एनिमल्स दैट प्रोटेक्ट देमसेल्स फ्रॉम देयर एनिमीज विद देयर आउटर कवर शेल्स या क्विल्स, ठीक है। बहुत सारे ऐसे एनिमल्स होते हैं जिनकी बॉडी पर हार्ड शेल होती है। इन द बॉक्स गिवन बिलो आर द नेम्स ऑफ सम एनिमल्स, अनसर्कल द वंस दैट कैन प्रोटेक्ट देमसेल्स विद देयर हार्ड कवर। सो हमें उन्हीं एनिमल्स के नेम को अनसर्कल करना है, यानी सर्कल करना है, जो अपनी बॉडी पर हार्ड शेल रखते हैं अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए। ओके, सो क्रोकोडाइल, क्रोकोडाइल नहीं, इसकी बॉडी ऊपर से हार्ड रहती है लेकिन ये अपने आप को अंदर कवर नहीं कर सकता उस शेल के अंदर, है ना। स्नेल, स्नेल यस, ये अपने आप को अंदर अपनी जो कवर है बॉडी का उसके अंदर चला जाता है अगर इसको कहीं पे भी खतरा कोई नज़र आता है तो, है ना। लिजर्ड नहीं, स्नेक नो, टर्टल यस, tortoise yes it has a hard cover, gorilla, frog no, hedgehog yes and porcupine ये भी अपने आप को हार्ड शेल में कवर कर लेते हैं। सो इन एनिमल्स को आप सर्कल कर लीजिए और इनके बारे में कुछ एक सेंटेंस जो आपने कभी देखा ऑब्जर्व किया हो आप वो लिख सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, कैन यू टेल द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ टर्टल एंड अ टॉर्टोइज, राइट अ फ्यू लाइन्स, ठीक है। तो आपको टर्टल और टॉर्टोइज में कुछ डिफरेंस लिखने हैं। सो फर्स्ट वन इज टर्टल्स हैव अ फ्लैट बैक वेयर एज अ टॉर्टोइज डू नॉट हैव अ फ्लैट बैक। टर्टल्स कैन लिव बोथ ऑन लैंड एंड वाटर वेयर एज अ टॉर्टोइज लिव एंटायरली अबव वाटर। Number 3, turtles are omnivorous whereas a tortoise is mostly herbivorous. Next, turtle's shell is lighter than the tortoise. A tortoise can live up to 150 years whereas a turtle can live up to 40 years. Okay, so our chapter is finished here. Thank you so much.